Okay, good morning again. We'll start with the monthly recommendations. First, we have Sharda Cropchem. It is an export-oriented agrochemical company. Current market price is 1057. We are giving a first target of 1190. This is one of our conviction picks we gave last year as well, and it has done well. Speaking about the company, they follow an asset-light model, meaning unlike other companies, they're not very focused on capex-heavy requirements. Meaning, their core idea is that they will look for places where the patent of the molecule is already expired. They will try to get the registration, confirm the dossier, and then they will try to give it to a third party for manufacturing, and then they will sell the product. So because of this, their capex requirement is very low. So they gave a very good quarter three results. We are expecting them to have good quarter as well. Even the management has said that despite all the war issues, the company won't be affected much. We'll have to see. We are waiting for the results. The company is very strong. They have strong balance sheet. They have good cash in hand as well. And looking at the agrochemical space, even despite the market fall that happened recently, they have stayed very strongly. Next, we have Pfizer. Current market price is 4,868. First target is 5,450. Speaking of Pfizer, they have a global parent, Pfizer, which is one of the biggest players. If you look at their P&L and balance sheet, their revenue growth over the past 4 to 5 years has been very poor, almost very flat. But if you look at their margins, they have one of the best margins compared to others. So this is one reason for this is they have been exiting their low margin businesses aggressively. Apart from that, one limitation they have is they need permission from their parent if they have to secure any registrations or if they have to go ahead with a new product. Unlike Sun and Cipla or other pharma generic companies, they can't come up with 10 to 15 generic formulations every year. But looking at last quarter result was very good. So we are seeing improvements in numbers from last 2 quarters. We are expecting the same this quarter as well. And one important thing is last December they had entered with a 5-year marketing and distribution deal with Cipla. Cipla is one company that has extremely strong distribution system in India as well. So this will also benefit. So most of their 5 top brands are having a distribution system along with Cipla, which is again another positive for the company. Next, we have Kirloskar Pneumatic. We gave this as our conviction idea last month. Current market price is 1,204. First target 1,360. They are one of the leading air compressor and refrigerant system manufacturers in the country. They have a very strong parent. Speaking about the company, they have over 60% market share in CNG segment. This segment has been seeing a little bit of degrowth over the past 1 year. So the company is planning to get into high precision engineering as well. With this, they will be able to get into sectors such as defense and railways. Apart from this, last year they came up with one of their indigenous product, air compressor, which gave very good margins and was seen in the result. Next year, and I think by this year it should start, they are coming up with one core product called Sephiros, which is an air compression project. So again, they are planning to get into pharma industry and food and beverage as well with this. And next we have Vidya Wires. Current market price is 63. First target is 70. This is comparatively a new company. New company in the sense they listed only last December. Very similar to another company we gave long back called Precision Wires. They are into copper winding wire manufacturing. Speaking about them, they are the 4th largest in the country, much smaller than Precision Wire. One advantage they have is 30 to 40 percentage of their copper needs are handled in-house. They don't have that dependency from outside. Apart from this, they gave a strong revenue growth over 20% over the past 2 years. Copper volatility is there, especially when in times of war and others. But now we are expecting that things are stabilizing and expecting a good result as well. Particularly, a lot of hype around this AI capex and renewable energy boom that is happening. So a company like this will only benefit. We are expecting at least 20 to 25% growth over the next few years. Finally, we have PTC. Current market price 166. First target is 210. We are giving it more as a dividend yield stock. It is more of a. It doesn't come really under a growth stock sector. More of a value pick. We are giving this one as this time. Speaking of PTC, they are a broker. They come between power manufacturers and buyers. Buyers mostly involved mostly countries like Nepal, Bangladesh, and even other discoms. They have around 3,000 rupees in 3,000 crore rupees in cash right now. So there is a possibility that they will give strong dividends this year. Apart from that, this is a very high volume, low margin business. So again, it's not a very growth stock, but more as a value and dividend yield stock. Looking at last month, our stocks have done fine. Nifty gave a return of 3.8 percentage. Mainly, we saw a gap up last Tuesday, and after that, it's been stable. Only one day because of some fears it went down, but again yesterday it recovered well. Speaking of the company, everything is holding up. Mostly everything is going well. Airtel, Lupin. Actually, there was a fear, not fear actually. Trump announced that there will be pharma tariffs last month, so then all the pharma stocks were hit. But that is only for branded drugs. It's not for generic. Lupin is a generic company, so that announcement will not have much impact on them. So because of that, pharma index was hit a little bit, but speaking company-wise, there is no issue. CSE almost in the same range. PG Health, Wonderla Holidays. Again, Wonderla is having very good. We are seeing good momentum over the past 1 week. So those looking to accumulate can still accumulate. I think it's expected to give good results as well. Okay, thank you.